and welcome. You are watching Beyond Breaking News, where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth. By the youth.
This is really amazing how they have done it, how wonderfully you all teachers have taken efforts to taught them all the sectors of news, all factors, and now of course I saw the courtesy as well. So minute details you have taken efforts to show and teach to students. Wonderful job. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all of you.
It is indeed a privilege to be part of a certificate distribution ceremony of the students who have successfully completed their hands-on training of the TV news presentation and production course at Ryan TV Studio, Pune. The Ryan Group, through Ryan TV, created and conducted Beyond Breaking News, training more than 3,300 young journos. The BBN course helps offer students yet another career option, aiding in their all-round development of these youngsters.
What did you think of our studio?
Oh, studio is wonderful. You can see all advanced technology set up here, and it is the way it is placed, easy for students to learn the new technology.
Nowadays, everyone wants to be a YouTuber and everyone wants to learn the videography and photography skills, and it's a really good initiative that Ryan has taken, that constructing a studio in a school itself and giving students the opportunity to learn the media things.
Studio is well organized, as if I'm feeling like I am a celebrity, and whatever I see in the television, I'm feeling like that. So it's an amazing setup, and I'm really liking it.
Studio, this facilities looks very nice, and it is very up to date, and I think the cameras and all those things, the recording, the editing systems, all looks very fine.
The studio is very beautiful, well managed, and appreciated the efforts which management and students have taken.
All the equipment and the concept and the lighting and everything you explained was really nice. The studio is really nice.
Studio is great, quite professional, and I will love to see more studios in Ryan's.
It's really amazing. It's equipped with all the latest thing required, and which will give you a proper training in a much professional way.
The studio is very nice. Even I can't explain. Lots of things are there.
The Ryan Studio, it really gives a glimpse for the students how the professional studios are. So that's a really great initiative by the academy.
For the first time, I have seen a studio personally, and it was really an amazing thing to enter a studio and see different things what are there in the studio.
Yeah, we saw this studio for the first time, and this type of news recording is the first time. So it is amazing experience.
Studio, excellent, good. It's a very good quality. I was not expecting that this could be as good as the state of art studio there. It is good, excellent. I liked it.
It will be great for other students also to join the program.
Your Ryan Studio is one of the best amenities you have in your school. It's very wonderful, soundproof, and full of technologies and highly technical.
Ryan Studio was amazing and outstanding. What do you think about our bulletin?
You have covered all aspects of the news. That is wonderful thing, and I enjoy the most part was your mistakes you have made. So that was the best part of your yes.
It was really awesome, and it's a really great thing to see that all kids are doing all this post-production, pre-production, and the camera, how they are facing the camera. That is really great. We are happy to see this.
I'm completely baffled by seeing the transformation of the kids. 1 week before I saw my daughter something else, and 1 week after, this migration from 1 week, what I have seen to this is completely amazing, and the journey has been fantastic.
Bulletin was good. There was a lot of detailing happened, and the anchoring was also on the spot. And it was a nice startup. Basically, first experience was very good.
We always thought of doctors, engineers, and lot many things. But this journalism, this is what was something different that we experienced this time, and I really loved this experience. And Palak was amazing on this show, and even the management was lovely who guided her.
I found it very interesting. All the points you covers are very particular, and what is trending right now, what people love to see, and the way the editing has been done is very nice.
It's a great news, and I can see what you guys learn here, and I'm very happy for it.
Great. I really feel privileged to be here. I can see all the kids with a sky-high confidence and taking a bold step in future with this media information.
It's a very great platform for my kids.
The kids were all too creative. They were spontaneous.
They are not just students, they are young journalists already.
The bulletin was really nice and amazing. We all enjoyed watching, and we also saw the efforts taken by the students and the teachers.
Yeah, it was very nice. It was a nice experience.
Bulletin made by teenager was wonderful.
News bulletin, excellent, good. The way it was edited, it was excellent. The fine tuning and the micro details what has been captured, those were excellent. Especially this box effect, what has been seen, the mirror effect, that was fantastic.
I have never imagined that you will be so beautiful on the television. It's beautiful.
Seeking the kids doing a great job, learning the technicalities of mass and media was very fabulous to watch.
Is there any message that you would like to convey to our future YJs?
Keep learning continuously. Things are changing. Whatever you're learning today, it won't remain same tomorrow. Technology is changing, and you have to change with it. So keep on learning.
Don't stop it here. This is the first step towards your successful career. So continue practice, as ma'am said, that continue practicing and make yourself as better and better day by day.
Keep practicing, keep working hard, and take it to the next level.
Is there any message you would like to give to the school management?
Keep this good work going. We are really proud that we enrolled Palak in Ryan International, and we really love this concept, something different, and all the best.
Keep it up, and just keep on giving such a different type of opportunities to the kids, so that they can really find their interest in their life, what they really wanted to be in their life.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful opportunity to our kids, and really looking forward to see such kind of courses more.
सब बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया. आपका पर्सनालिटी जो है वो इतना अच्छे से डेवलप हुआ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सब कुछ देखकर.
मैनेजमेंट वर्क इज़ ग्रेट. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस, और बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जो बच्चे आगे कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Thank you, a big thank you for providing such a great opportunity for the students, so that they learn something at a professional level too.
I would like to thank the management for giving our children such a wonderful opportunity, and would also request for getting more courses like these for our children.
Please continue doing this kind of activities.
I would like to give a suggestion to the management that if at all, they can make it available to all children at different strata of society, so that all level of children should be able to enjoy these facilities despite of their financial backgrounds.
Overall, I would say the curriculum course, that was excellent. What I have seen that for last 3 to 4 days, it was, I would say, good involving updates there, what I have seen it.
This particular opportunity you will never get at any other school, and please make a really good out of it. And I wish all the kids best of luck.
Kudos to the Ryan International School. I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. And my heartiest congratulations to the students. I hereby declare BBN course 2023 at Ryan Studio, Hinjawadi, Pune closed.
This is YJ Nitya. And this is YJ Avni. This is YJ Tanvi.
And this is YJ Reva. This is YJ Danishwar. This is YJ Kavya.
And this is YJ Amrit. This is YJ Ayan Rashid. This is YJ Agastya.
And this is YJ Ravisha. This is YJ Kanishka.
And YJ Ananya.
I am YJ Palak.
And I am YJ Sravya.
This is YJ Pehel.
And this is YJ Jinal. Signing off for
Beyond Breaking News, where the news is
Of the people, for the